Alright guys, today I'm going to teach you guys how to create the YouTube thumbnail for Team Power Racing using the existing templates. First of all, something that you should know is that all the thumbnails are created in Figma under the Team Power Racing thumbnails page. There's a link to it right here. And if you go ahead and open that and you're invited, you should be able to reach the Figma page and just use the existing templates there. So I'm just going to go ahead and put these side by side so it's nice and easy to work with. Okay, so the first step is just copy and pasting one of the existing thumbnail frames. It's quite simple. So I'll just use this one, just copy and paste that, and then we'll drag it, drag that guy down here, make sure they're all lined up like the rest, and the spacing is equivalent. What we're going to do then is first change the name of the format, so you can see it has the old name on it. So we're just going to go ahead and change that. We're just say year, month, day format. So say hypothetically it's 2025-07-11, which is today. I'm going to have a unique name, probably something related to how the video is about. So I'll just say like maybe Streets of Willow track day, something like that. And then we'll just add a run one just to indicate that it's the first video. So that's step 2 being done. Step 3 is just pasting in the thumbnail picture. Here you want to have as big of a picture as possible and just downscale it. Just makes it nice and easy. I have this picture over here. Unfortunately, it's not that big, so we will need to upscale it instead, but that's just going to be how it is. Next is resizing the image to 1920 by 1080. That's how all of the images are being done here. So the first step is unlocking the aspect ratio. If you click this button right here, that will unlock it, and you should be able to freely type in 1920 by 1080 there, just like that, right? We're then going to move the image over the new frame, just like this, and it will join automatically. Yeah, you can see it just got added to the same frame. We're going to then move this image to the bottom of the frame by the layers menu. So that's this right here. We're just going to click and drag this all the way down to the bottom, just like that. We're then going to delete the old image. You can see the old image was this one. So I'm just going to click that, press delete, and it's already looking a lot better. What we're going to do next is change the opacity filter. So you can see how the text kind of looks, doesn't contrast well with the background image. Here we'll click opacity, this element here, and we'll adjust how much opacity is being let through. So right now it's on 10%, but if I change it to 15%, okay, 20%. So yeah, that looks a lot better. It contrasts, the text contrasts more with the image in the back. I'm pretty happy with that one, so we'll leave it at 20%. The next is adjusting the text in the title. From the top to the bottom, it is location, type of video, and video number in the series. So that from the top, this is going to be the location. So here I'll just say Streets of Willow clockwise, something like that. I think the existing format uses something like that. Oh, there you go, Streets of Willow. So I'll just type in Streets of Willow, just like that. Here's the type of video. Yeah, right now this is probably just a raw footage, but if you're going for a timing, we could just say a time attack, something along those lines. Just pay attention to how it is done in the previous videos. But yeah, for now I'll just leave it as raw footage. And then of course we'll leave it as video 1 because that's the first video in the series. And that's how it is. So next we're going to export the thumbnail to its sizes. Oh well, before that, we're going to go ahead and copy and paste this image multiple times. So we'll just go ahead and click this, click Control C, Control V. And so we had 4 videos in the run. We just got 4 thumbnails. We'll just need to adjust the video thumbnails on the bottom. So video 2, video 3, video 4. You'll notice the number inside the frame already self-incremented. So run 3, run 2, you got that there. Now the last step is to export the thumbnail to its highest quality. This is actually the tricky part. So we'll go ahead and click the frame. And under this section right here, this is how we're going to be exporting the image. All of our images are exported in PNG format, so make sure you're using PNG format. And this, let's just set this to 1 for now. So if I go ahead and press export, it's going to go ahead and save the image. I'll do it under downloads. And if I open up File Explorer and click downloads, you can see that it is 178,000 kilobytes, where the max size on YouTube, or sorry, this one right here, 2,641 kilobytes, where the max size is actually 2,000 kilobytes or 2 megabytes on YouTube. So that is not possible. Technically it's 2,048 kilobytes, but yeah. In any case, we need to basically downscale this image so that it fits the size. So I'll go ahead and just delete this one. And what we're going to do is basically say like 0.85. It's going to be that factor of the image. If I export it again, go here. Yeah, that's still 2,043 kilobytes. So let's go down even further, 0.84. 2004, just missed it. And 0.83. Save that guy. There you go, 1967. So that's as close to 2,000 kilobytes as possible, without exceeding the limit. So what you're going to do is basically go for every single one, go down here, we're going to type in 0.83, export, save. You'll see run 2 there. Well, that's more, so we're going to need to adjust this one as well. Oh, I accidentally typed 0.93. 0.83, there you go. Yes, we'll overwrite it. Alright, there you go, 1967 again. So there, that's going to be how you're going to get those thumbnails. These thumbnails are very high quality, so you can still see it there. They're just a little bit downscaled from the previous ones. And you can just use these directly into YouTube, just click and drag over if you'd like, and that's how you create thumbnails for the Team Sprout YouTube racing channel.